Welcome back to another video for HarborFinancialOnline.com. Today I'm going to be talking about the new car sales tax deduction and how you would have received this deduction, and if you need to go back and file an old return to amend a return, you can still get this deduction. So let me get the video going here. So if you bought a car, you may have in the past qualified for this deduction, which was a pretty nice write-off. The American Recovery and Reinvestment Act allowed taxpayers to take a deduction for state and local sales tax paid on a new car purchase. In states that didn't have a sales tax, the law provided a deduction for other taxes or fees paid on that new vehicle. As I go through the video here, I just want to let you guys know that at our site, HarborFinancialOnline.com, you can use our free online estimator. And like I said, you can go back and file an old tax return if you're going to amend a return to take this new car sales tax deduction. You can use that estimator and see how it could affect your refund from a prior year. The deduction is available whether or not a taxpayer itemizes on Schedule A. So when itemizing, you have the difference between a standard deduction or itemizing your deductions. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I do have videos on this area just specific to this area, so I can clarify that for you a little bit better. The limit for the deduction, the new car sales deduction, is $49,500 for the taxes and fees you have paid for the purchase of an eligible vehicle. It has to be eligible. The deduction is reduced for joint filers with gross incomes between $250,000 and $260,000, and other taxpayers with incomes between $125,000 and $135,000. Now, this other taxpayers is going to qualify mainly to single taxpayers. Used cars are not eligible for this deduction. New vehicles only. And you must be the first owner of this vehicle. Leased vehicles and rentals do not qualify for this tax deduction. There is no limit on the number of cars for which you can claim the deduction, provided each car is a qualified new vehicle. A qualified motor vehicle is a passenger car, light truck, or motorcycle that has a gross weight of 8,500 pounds or more. And most people don't realize this, but a motorhome also qualifies under this law. Anyone can take this deduction, as you don't have to itemize your deductions to qualify for this. And I want to take you to a page real quick here. This is on the IRS website, and it's a lot of questions and answers with this car sales tax deduction. Some of the most common questions. So I always recommend checking out this page. Does have some great information. Now, this deduction applies to vehicles purchased between February 16, 2009 and January 1st, 2010. I'm going to go to the most common questions that I see. What about those 2008 models still in the lot? Yes, you can take the deduction as long as you're the vehicle's first owner. And here's where the income levels will phase you out. So I'd recommend checking out that. Here's our website, HarborFinancialOnline.com. We do have a lot of pages for all the credits and deductions that are out there. And if you file the return through the site, it's going to give you all those credits and deductions that you might not know about. It's automatically, based on your information, going to tell you if you qualify or not. So that's why I always recommend filing your return online if you can. Because if you do it yourself, how do you know if you're getting the credits and deductions you qualify for? You have no one telling you that you may get this one, you may get that one. So it's really a good tool for you to file your tax return. I highly recommend it. So I appreciate you watching the video today. Check out our free calculator at harborfinancialonline.com, and you can prepare your taxes online this year through our site. And I appreciate you watching the videos. We have a lot more videos at YouTube. All you have to do is search harborfinancialonline.com, or you can just go to Google Harbor Financial Online, and you'll see all of our information, our different videos out there on Google. So thank you, and we'll talk to you later.